Is coming straight towards Texas, and the state is really bracing for that storm to hit. This morning, another 81 Texas counties were added to the hurricane disaster declaration, with officials warning people to make their final preparations right now. So our Jason Allen is live in Corpus Christi tonight. And Jason, you've been talking to folks out there. What are they doing to get ready for the storm?
Well, Amelia, if you were expecting everybody to just make a sudden exodus from the coast, that is absolutely not what we are seeing. Remember, this is a 4th of July holiday weekend. So look at all the people back here that are on the beach. I'm going to try to show you this whole thing. Jake, if you want to come with me here. So we see, I want to show you all the way down, and it goes that way in both directions. So everybody is not in a big hurry to leave because they still want to get what is left of what has been a pretty beautiful Saturday. But I'm going to show you current conditions. If we look out here into the ocean here in Corpus Christi, we're seeing a nice day, some very small swell, no signs yet of any of the hurricane swell. However, if you look up in the sky, you will see some of the first signs. We've just seen these clouds filter in this afternoon. That is really just some of those first initial high clouds that have blown off the top of Beryl, which is still a few hundred miles away from us to our south. Now, on the other side of the dunes from where we are, we're going to show you some video of this that we shot today. There are some homeowners, there are some business owners who are starting to make preparations. As Colin was just talking about, still a lot of uncertainty on exactly how big this storm is going to be, what the impact is going to be, if it even lands here. But a lot of people we talked to said that they would rather just board up, make the preparations now rather than be sorry later. One of the families we met is actually from Midlothian. They just bought the house here earlier this year. They've been using it and renting it out. So this is the first time that they have gone through something like this. Here's what they had to say about the experience.
We're used to tornadoes down there, so hurricanes, this is going to be a new one for me.
We've got the generator, we've got water, we've got a gas grill, we've got a charcoal grill.
So you feel prepared?
We're prepared.
Yeah, and there are a lot of people telling us with a storm like this, they feel a little bit more comfortable just being prepared for power outages for a few days, making the preparations for the flooding that you could see with some of the storm surge, and staying here for this one. One other thing I want to point out, Amelia, is back here you see these piles of sand along this dune walkover. We have watched tractors, front end loaders throughout the day already starting to push sand back up into these walkthroughs in the dunes areas. Those are really to stop any of the storm surge, any of the high surf that builds up. Right now, still a 3 to 5 foot surge predicted. That will hopefully keep some of that water from pushing into those neighborhoods we're just showing you and exacerbating any of the flooding that occurs once this storm comes in. Amelia?
Thanks so much, Jason. It's incredible. Those Texans down there, they know what it takes to be safe in this storm. So they're definitely making those preparations. Appreciate the update. Also